Hi guys, this is Nutritionist Shivangi Garg. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make mini oats pancakes. Come, let's see the ingredients. I will take 1/4 cup maida and 1/4 cup grinded oats. I don't want to make very high calorie pancakes and make it good in nutrition, so I'll be mixing oats. Half cup milk, half teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil, half teaspoon vanilla extract. If we talk about benefits of oats, it does wonders to our body. It prevents cardiovascular diseases and lowers the bad cholesterol, which is LDL. It is very good for high blood pressure and also for diabetics. We'll keep adding milk and stir the batter. You have to mix it well till there are no lumps. The batter should be of pouring consistency. Now we will fill this batter in the cone and get ready to make our pancakes. We'll tie a rubber band to our cones so the batter doesn't come out. Come guys, let's start making our pancakes. Very gently hold the cone and start making. If you hold the cone too tight, the batter will start dripping, so don't press it too much. Keep your gas on low flame while you are making the pancakes. Heat the pancakes for about 2 minutes till they are brown from one side. The other side of the pancake should not be too much brown. So I'll be topping my pancake with honey and chocolate. You can use maple syrup or Nutella if you want. I used honey because it is better for diabetics and it has antioxidants. Also, I used hardly any sugar to make my pancakes, so I have done my topping more of honey so they get sweet. We have our healthy and yummy pancakes ready. This recipe will satisfy your sweet tooth also with less of calories. Do try this recipe and share it with your friends and family. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe my channel.